They're getting big. Just thought I'd bring them outside to see what they thought about the grass. They're starting to walk around a little bit. Hi, you guys are cute. Look at you. They're getting big, all right, that's for sure. They've probably, what, tripled in size? Maybe quadrupled in size. And they're not quite, they'll be 3 weeks old on Saturday around midnight. So they're about 2.5 weeks old now. Where you going, little girl, huh? Where you going, little girl? I think they're looking for mommy.